Hi, boys and girls. It is Mrs. Decker. We are going to do another shared reading today. A shared reading is where I will read a story to you that you can all see. And then when we read it the second time or even the third time, you're going to read it along with me. We'll either echo read or choral read. And it'll give you a chance to use some of the reading strategies that we've been working on to help you sound out words and to help you think about and understand the story, okay? The book that we're going to read today is called Fish Eyes, a book you can count on. And it's by Lois Ehlert. Lois Ehlert is the author and the illustrator. So, as the author, she wrote the words, and as the illustrator, she also drew or painted the pictures. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with Fish Eyes. And this book is really cute. It has this little guy right here. The person telling the story is actually imagining that there are little fish like this who is swimming through the ocean and describing the things that it sees. So down here and on the title page, Fish Eyes, he says, swim along through this book with me. And that's what we're going to do. And here he's again, hurry up. So he's kind of a bossy little guy. He's telling all those fish to hurry up. He doesn't want them to miss anything. If I could put on a suit of scales. And putting on a suit of scales just means dressing up. So here the author is imagining if I could dress up like a fish, or if I could put on a suit of scales like a fish has. If I could put on a suit of scales, add some fins, and one of these tails, I'd close my eyes and then I'd wish. Here he is again saying, wow. That I'd turn into a beautiful fish. And here he is down here. Will you dance with me? I imagine he likes all those pretty designs and patterns and colors. I'd flip down rivers and splash in the sea. I'd swim so far you would never catch me. I'd see, and here he is down here saying, follow me, because he wants us to come along. And here's where we're going to start seeing the pattern. So listen closely, see if you can find it. I bet you'll find it fast because you're really good at finding patterns in the text. One green fish. One green fish plus me makes two. Two jumping fish. Two jumping fish plus me makes three. Are you starting to see the pattern now? I'll bet you're starting to see it. Three smiling fish. Three smiling fish plus me makes four. Four striped fish. Four striped fish plus me makes five. Five spotted fish. Five spotted fish plus me makes six. Six fantailed fish. Fantailed, see why it's called fantailed? Their tails look like fans. Six fantailed fish plus me makes seven. Seven flipping fish. Seven flipping fish plus me makes eight. Eight skinny fish. Eight skinny fish plus me makes nine. Nine flashy fish. Flashy means like sparkly and fancy. Nine flashy fish plus me makes 10. 10 darting fish. Darting is when something moves really quickly and changes directions back and forth really fast. 10 darting fish. 10 darting fish. So long. Oh, we must be getting closer to the end. Do you remember when we read books with patterns, a lot of times at the end of the story, the pattern kind of stops or there's some kind of a break or surprise in the pattern. Here he says, so long. Keep flipping. Then I'd keep swimming until I would see, what's he gonna see? All of those fish eyes looking at me. Ooh, those are big fish eyes. If you could truly have a wish, would you wish to be a fish? Okay, that's a really good question. You might want to stop for a second and imagine, pause the video and imagine what it might be like to be a fish. Would you like to be a fish and swim around in the ocean, or is that something you're really not very interested in? You could take some time right now to imagine. And there they go. They're all swimming away. And here he says, goodbye. Hope to see you again. I just think that's a really cute story, boys and girls. I like how he goes through the ocean and imagines himself seeing all these things and imagining all these things that he could look like and all these things that he could do. Pretty cool story, Fish Eyes. So I'd like for you to take a second right now. Let's just take a second and think about what happened in the book. So pause the video for just a minute and try to remember in your mind what just happened in this book. Okay. Now that you're back, I want you to take a second and think about some of the things you might have noticed in this book. What are some patterns in the book that we just read? We're going to read a little bit more of this book together. We're going to echo read. And then when we stop in just a little bit, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the pattern and what you notice and how you can use that pattern to help you read, okay? So let's go back to this slide right here. And I want you to read along after me. Echo read. If I could put on a suit of scales, your turn. Good job, boys and girls. Add some fins and one of these tails. Your turn. I'd close my eyes and then I'd wish. And here he says, wow. That I'd turn into a beautiful fish. And let's read this question. Echo, read this. Will you dance with me? Now you read. Good job, friends. I'd flip down rivers and splash in the sea. Your turn. I'd swim so far you would never catch me. And here, down here, follow me. You read. And up here he says, I'd see. And this is where we want to start noticing that pattern, okay? One green fish. You read. One green fish plus me makes two. Two jumping fish. You read. Two jumping fish plus me makes three. Your turn. 3 smiling fish. You read? 3 smiling fish plus me makes 4. 4. 4 striped fish. 4 striped fish plus me makes 5. Your turn. 5. 5 spotted fish. 5 spotted fish plus me makes 6. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to pause right here. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to think for just a second about any patterns that you noticed in the book that we just read. Just pause the video and think about what pattern in the book, what pattern is there in the book that we just read. All right, you're back, and I hope you thought of at least one pattern that you heard. You might have noticed that back on these slides, the number of the fish starts at 1, and then now we're up to 5, and it always starts with the number, and then we have the number word spelled out. So that's a pattern you might have noticed. You also might have noticed that the little fish always comes along on that next page after he talks about the big fish that he sees. And then down at the bottom, you probably noticed this pattern. It's actually an addition pattern where the little fish says the number of fish that he sees, and then plus me makes, and then however many there is just by adding 1. So as we read the rest of the book, I want you to jump in now that you know the pattern and choral read it with me. That means you're not gonna repeat after me. You're just gonna read along with me, okay? So let's hear you. Let's start right here. 6. 6 fan-tailed fish. Good job. Try again. 6 fan-tailed fish plus me makes 7. 7. 7 flipping fish. 7 flipping fish plus me makes 8. 8. 8 skinny fish. 8 skinny fish plus me makes 9. 9. 9 flashy fish. 9 flashy fish plus me makes 10. 10. 10 darting fish. 10 darting fish. So long. He's like, see ya, I'm out. Keep flipping. Echo that. This time you can echo read because now we're out of the pattern. So read after me. Then I'd keep swimming until I would see all of those fish eyes looking at me. Sorry, I was getting creeped out by the fish eyes there. If you could truly have a wish, would you wish to be a fish? And there they go. Bye, fish. Goodbye. Hope to see you again. Awesome job, boys and girls. And I hope that if you have a little bit of time today or even this weekend or the next couple of days, go back through this video and you can either read along with me again, or you could turn your sound off so that you don't have to hear me reading, and you could just go through this video and read this book yourself and practice reading and rereading it using that pattern over and over again, because it's only going to help you get better. Awesome reading today, guys. Great work. I'll see you later. Bye.